Hello! Welcome back po dito sa Angel Francia PH Tarot, Pisces, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus placements. Mga madam and sir, kamusta po kayong lahat? I hope na nasa mabuti po kayong kalagayan. So, in today's video po, okay, aalamin natin kung ano ang mga magagandang balita na matatanggap ng ating Pisces sa loob ng 30 araw. So, mga good news na matatanggap ng ating Pisces sa loob ng within 30 days. Ayan. Tinatry kong buksan at patayin yung ilaw kasi medyo mainit. But anyways, bago ko mag-start, Pisces, I just want to make an announcement na meron na tayong 2-in-1 financial blockages removal. Okay? This is 850 pesos. Okay? Sa mga interesadong bumili, pasensya na guys sa ingay. Okay? Sa interesadong bumili, okay? Yung link ng Shopee store ko nasa pin comments. Okay, tignan nyo yung comments ko. Hanapin nyo yung comment ko sa baba dito sa video. Andun yung link ng Shopee store. Okay? Madami pa mga items doon na pwede nyong bilhin. Okay? Sa mga takot makulam or kinulam, ayan, meron tayong Healing and Protection necklace para sa anti-kulam. This is 1,000 pesos. 2-in-1 na siya. Bale, ang binabayaran niyo dito, yung ritual. Okay? Makikita niyo ito sa Shopee account ko. Okay? Available pa rin ang ating best seller, all-in-one, powerful red bracelet. This is 700 pesos. Okay? Madaming feedbacks. Mga feedbacks makikita niyo sa aking Facebook page, Angel Francia PH Tarot. Okay, panangga or pang-alis sa sumpa ng iyong angkan. Okay, this is 1,900 pesos. Okay, para matanggal na yung sumpa. Okay, sumpa na dinadala sa iyong angkan. Okay, alright. So, Pisces, alamin natin kung ano ang mga magagandang balita na matatanggap ninyo. Para sa mga interesadong ang tawag nito, magpahula. Okay? Hindi ako nagpapabayad. Okay? So, makukulit lang. Okay? Pag makulit ka, ayan, 10,000. Grabe, ang mahal naman. Ang kulit mo eh. Sabi nga nang hindi ako ito nagpapaan ng reading. Pero, nagpapahula ako ng libre. O, diba? Okay, so hanapin yung Facebook page ko, Angel Francia PH Tarot. Okay, abangan nyo yung live. Sali kayo sa Facebook page, private group. Okay? Andun yung link. Lahat ng mga information na dapat ninyo malaman na sa Facebook page ko. So, if I were you, follow nyo na. Para di nyo ma-miss ang mga opportunities. Madami akong pasabog next month. Okay? September. Mamimigay ako ng mga items sa live, during live. Okay? Twice a month. Ayan po. So, Pisces, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus placements, mga good news na matatanggap ng ating Pisces, Spirit Guides, and Angels. Okay, ayan na. 6 of Pentacles. It's either mabibigyan ka ng pera or may magbabayad na ng utang ninyo or mababayaran na yung utang mo. Kung ikaw ay nagkautang, mayroon kang loan, ayan, mababayaran nyo na. Or, this is also a sign na may mabibigay sa'yo ng pera. Okay? Inaantay mo ba yung allowance mo? Uy, lumiliwanag! Lumiwanag yung cards. Ayun o. Kayo, di ba lumiwanag? Kita nyo ba? But anyways, nag-aantay ka ng allowance, assistance, like financial assistance support from government, I don't know, something like that. For peace, yung mga ganun, matatanggap nyo na. Within 30 days. Okay? Ma-approve yung loan or something like that. Two of Cups. Two of Cups. There is this feeling of someone is falling in love with you. Especially the person who's in your mind. Within 30 days, magpaparamdam and matutuwa ka kung yung taong gustong-gusto mo magparamdam sa'yo. yung taong crush mo, yung taong mahal mo, okay, i-adore ka niya. This is the card of adoration, loving, soulmate. Okay? I feel like 30 days, within 30 days, starting from the moment you watch this video, there's someone here, there's someone in your life, very close to you, hihingi ng sorry, alam mo yun, hihingi or susupresa ka, bibigyan ka ng papakita sa'yo, ipaparamdam sa'yo yung pagmamahal. Mararamdaman mo ang pagmamahal ng isang tao na very close sa'yo, Pisces. Okay? And I feel like you love that because you're Pisces. But anyway, 10 of Swords, lahat ng mga painful endings, ayan, matatapos na, mga sufferings mo, matatapos na, Pisces. This is good news. Good news ang hinahanap natin eh, di ba? This what's the reading is about. Good news. Ano bang good news? 10 of Swords. Usually this is heartbreak or pain, but the end of it, okay? Pagtatapos ng kahirapan ng ating Pisces. Next, you have the 4 of Pentacles. Okay? This is you finally be able to acquire some money. Uy, liliwanag na naman. Lumiliwanag. Archangels, thank you. Spirit guides and angels, thank you for being here. Thank you for watching me. Thank you for guiding me. Ayan. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, universe. God, thank you, God. Ayan, lumiliwanag. Andi dilim, lumiliwanag, andi dilim. Okay. Andito na naman sila. Ah, I'm so happy. Alright, so anyway, Pisces, 4 of Pentacles. This is you acquiring money. This is you finally be able to save up some money in the future. This is you feeling financially secured within 30 days. O, diba? Financially secured. O, sino may hindi gusto? Ako gusto ko yan. Okay, next, you have the 8 of Pentacles. Ang daming Pentacles. Okay? Whatever you've been working so hard lately, ayan, magbubunga, Pisces. That's a good news. That's a good news na nakikita ko. I wanna wipe this. Parang may dumi. Napaka-perfectionist ko, guys. Sorry. Pag may napansin ako something out of the... Anyway, natidistract ako. I'm sorry. But, what I'm saying is, with this 8 of Pentacles, you'll be able to finally feel na, alam mo yun, lahat ng pinaghirapan mo, magbubunga. Okay? All of your hard work will pay off. Okay? Pinagsikapan mo, magbubunga, and magkakaroon ka ng parang revenue or like maiipon kang pera. Tingnan mo naman, nag-iipon siya ng Pentacles. Okay? Because you deserve this, Pisces. Okay? Because you've been working so hard for some of you all your life. Okay? Whatever you're working on right now, what you have been working on lately. Ayan. Next, you have, the 6 of Wands. I'm also Venus and Pisces, so I'm gonna claim this. 6 of Wands is success, victory, promotion, and awards, getting rewards, reaping the rewards. This is a card of success and recognition, Pisces. Claim this if I were you. I claim this. Okay? Sa mga nagpaplano na maging digital creator, content creator, magiging successful ka sa larangan na yan. Madami atang mga ngayon mga digital creator na, content creator, dami nagti-TikTok, na daming kagaya ko, vlogger, diba? Magiging sikat ka na. This is a sign na magiging successful ka. Okay? Wow! You also have the King of Cups at the bottom of this deck. Okay? I'm gonna take this. I feel like there's someone in your life, a father figure or your husband, if you are a woman, magpaparamdam, who's trying to get your attention. Tama ba? Within 30 days. For some of you, it's good news. Because we're looking for good news. And I feel like this person will offer some love to you, magpaparamdam. Maybe this person will give you a gift, This person will give you financial support, child support, something like that. Or, alam mo, bibigay ng allotment or pera, and that's good news for you within 30 days. Yung dapat niya, yung responsibility niya as a father, okay, especially if you are a single mom and then naghiwalay kayo ng papa ng anak mo, ng anak ninyo, naghiwalay kayo ng father ng anak mo. I feel like susupresain ka niya, magiging siya ng sorry, or ipaparamdam niya na mahal ka pa rin niya despite sa mga nangyari. Diba? Magpaparamdam ulit si Mister, na-realize niya na ikaw ang magbabalik yung pagmamahal. Parang yan ang narinig ko. Parang magbabalikan. I'm not sure na magbabalikan kayo kasi wala sa baraha dito. But, andun yung ipaparamdam niya na may gusto pa rin siya sa'yo, or mahal ka pa rin niya, ina-adore ka pa rin niya, or like, ipaparamdam niya na mahal ka niya. Andun, mapifeel mo yan, Pisces. Okay? Mapifeel mo yung care niya. Because King of Cups is King of emotion, King of Hearts, King of Love, kumbaga. Okay? And a father figure. Ayan, magpaparamdam within 30 days. So, ayan. So, Pisces, Sun, Rising, and Venus placements, yan po ang mga magagandang balita na matatanggap ninyo. But, for those of you na ayoko nang bumalik yung mister ko, then that's not good news for you. Okay? Sa mga may gusto lang, because this is a general reading. If this doesn't resonate with you, then don't take it. Okay? Ganun lang yan. Okay? Walang nakalagay na pangalan mo dito kung sino ka man. Okay, this is not a private personal reading, I'm just saying. Okay, so Pisces, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs. I'll see you next time. Take good care and God bless. More power. Paalam.